Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is basically we're going to be diving into something new that's been happening in the sneaker game recently. So we know what mystery boxes are, but basically STOCKX now has made some mystery boxes, and we're going to be diving into that. Are they worth the cop? What's kind of going on with this? What sneakers can you even win in these? And yeah, basically what is STOCKX doing with this whole mystery box idea that they have here? So I'm going to let y'all know. Hope you guys will enjoy this video, and we're basically just going to get into it from there. If you guys do want more content like this, and again, y'all can subscribe and like down below for more. Don't forget the normal goal we always shoot for here on the channel, gang, is 300 likes. If you could do that, that'd be great. If not, again, everything else I've mentioned is down below. My Instagram page, my TikTok lives, all that. Again, y'all can check that there. Instagram page. Enter that blue tile SB giveaway, tag your 2 friends, like the post, and let me know why you want to win. It's my reel. You'll see me holding the pair. And of course, my TikTok lives. See everyone to come cop some streetwear off us. That's the best way to support your boy. We got tons of Supreme stuff landing this week, and we should have a few other brands landing later this week as well if everything stays on time. So yeah, just stay tuned for that, guys. We got a lot coming in, and I appreciate y'all to support me there, man. Really, seriously, that is definitely the best way. So I appreciate you guys. And yeah, if y'all ever have any questions, just ask them down below in the comments. Sorry, I'll try and answer them there. And yeah, that's everything I need to say. Hope you guys will enjoy. Let's get started. All right, so as you guys can see, that screen record should be up on the screen right now. Basically, taking a look at this, I'm gonna show you all this. So StockX has made some mystery boxes, a $25 collectibles one, you know, nothing too crazy, $50 sneaker mystery box, $75 accessory mystery box. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I don't mind this idea or StockX doing this, right? Because one, mystery boxes have been around forever. People have been doing this for a long time. So them doing this is not like, you know what I mean? I'm not going to knock them and be like, oh, they're trying to take advantage of the market or whatever it is. No, mystery boxes are still around and have been around for a while. So they're just trying something new. I will give them some credit, though. I do like that they aren't super expensive, right? $200 is still a lot, right? But you know what I mean? They aren't making like $500 mystery boxes or $1,000 mystery boxes, because you know some people would buy those and try it out. And you know, it's just a bit riskier with higher price stuff like that. You know what I mean? Some people could probably take some pretty big L's, I imagine. So this is a little bit better. You know what I mean? Because if you're buying the $200 mystery box, like let's take a look at this. I bet you're still at least getting decent items, right? So let's check this out. So you can see the highest value item someone's got something $2,000, but the chance of getting that is 0.5%. As you all can see, you have 3 sneakers there. So a 0.5% of getting a $2,000 sneaker. So I imagine only a handful of people have gotten like the 0.5 one. And sorry that I just had to get up there. My cat running through my feet trying to enter. It's like, you know what I mean? I just started my video. Let me focus for a couple minutes here, right? But aside from that, you all can see 2.5% chance of getting the $400 to $799 value one, and then $399 to $270, 3%, 20% chance to get one worth a little bit more, right? You see we got the Guava Ice Union Jordan 4, that'd be nice to win, or the Royalty 4s. I'd be happy with either of those, honestly. And then 74% chance to get these down here, which those are straight bricks. They say they're worth $200 to $219, but I see those 3 pairs. I know those are not. I know those are not worth that, but. Aside from that, you know what I mean? Most people are getting something that isn't worth their money, you know what I mean? But that's just kind of the risk you take with mystery boxes. You probably aren't going to be winning most of the time. And I don't mind them doing like a $25 collectibles one, right? I think this whole idea is pretty unique, right? Like, I've seen some people try this out. I don't know if the mystery box reveals right when you buy it. I think it probably reveals, you know, when you get it in and then you see what pair you got, right? That's what I imagine it is. But if it is an online reveal, someone feel free to let me know in the comments, and I will buy one for you guys if you want to kind of see if it's, you know, test if it's worth it. My kind of eye test, right, looking at most of these, like check out the $100 value one. My general just eye test, right, is that this isn't super worth it, you know what I mean? But, you know, if you are a man of chance, you know, you do have like a 6% chance on the odds here to get something that is worth more than what you paid. So that's not terrible, but it's also not great, you know what I'm saying? But it is, again, a sneaker mystery box. But I do think that StockX probably should, you know, give a little bit higher odds of people having the chance to win, you know what I mean? Because, like, only a 6% chance to get something worth more than your money is pretty crazy. I think that should probably be like 10 to 15% chance. But, you know, again, I'm not the guy making the mystery boxes, and it is a cooler idea. I don't mind it. They also have an apparel mystery box. I thought that was pretty cool. This actually seems like a decent idea because you actually have some high value pieces here, like some of the World Cup jerseys. You got some Godspeed hoodies here. I like to see that. You know what I mean? So this one actually seems decent. You know what I mean? But again, most of the time here, it seems like pretty much with all these mystery boxes, you only have like a 6% chance to get something worth it more than what you paid in terms of the ask price. So you could get something worth like maybe only 10, 20 bucks more, and that's within that 6% chance of odds to get something worth more than what you paid. You know what I mean? So yeah, the odds are not in your favor, basically, is what I'm saying. But it is a mystery box made by StockX. So is this to kind of be expected? Yes. But yeah, if it's like an online reveal or anything like that, let me know, y'all, because I will buy this here. I'm gonna check out some of the details. Let's see. Do they have any like details explaining it? No. Great. Yeah, that's awesome. So here, yeah, okay, we got some recent reveals here. So rare fours. Okay, you see there's some pairs. All right, there's some. Look at that. You know what I mean? Not bad, not bad. Look at that. So you can actually check out the recent reveals. Look at this. Let's just see if they're worth it. Let's just see if it's worth it based off the recent reveals here. So based off what I'm looking at right now, doesn't look at super worth it from the $200 sneaker mystery box. You see, most people are getting something worth $200 or $240. You know what I mean? So I mean, if you're getting the ones that are worth $240, that's all right. You know what I'm saying? But look, even here, right? Check this out. You can see, look, the masterpiece Kobe's. The odds of getting that 74%. Well, okay, that's actually on the higher end of the $200 value. Like, this isn't bad. Like, I'm actually seeing this, and I'm like, these are all right. These are all right. So if you're a sneaker guy, you like taking, you know, your chances. You want to try for something your size. Maybe see if it's something you like or something rare. It seems decently worth it. Most people are getting something, you know, of what they paid, right? Or something worth a little bit more, it seems like. Looking at the reveal for the $200 mystery box. Let's check out the $100 one. I think this is the people that most... It's probably the one that most people are buying. Let's check out the recent reveals here on the $100 one. So you can see on the $100 mystery box, not as worth it. When you spend a little more on the $200 one, you're seeing things worth it a bit more, right? I mean, look at that. Someone won the band once from 2016, though, on the $100 mystery box. That's insane. That's insane. Look at that. That's crazy. So you love to see something like that. But yeah, let me know in the comments. If I get just a few people saying, yo, Tristan, buy one and reveal it, I will do that for you guys 1,000,000%. We'll buy a $100 one and we'll buy a $200 mystery box. Let me know and I'll buy both of them for you guys. We'll make a video on it. Just if that's something you guys want. Seriously, just drop some comments on the channel and I will do that. But we'll end the screen recording right there. Just doing my kind of basic eye test on this though. I mean, I'm not seeing people lose a lot of money. Like most people, again, are getting something worth $100 or they're getting something worth a lot more or they're getting something worth like 20, 40 bucks more. So no, StockX is actually doing fair. Looking at the recent reveals again, most of the asks were like, you're paying $100 after tax and all that and shit, probably like 110, 120. And people are most of the time winning something like a $100 ask or $120 ask. Like that's not terrible. You're getting your money back, or you're at least getting, you know, your value out of it. So I think, you know, StockX is doing fair here. And we did see someone win the band ones right there, $320, $400 sneaker right there, off the $100 mystery box. So yeah, I'm actually kind of excited to make this video. If y'all want that tomorrow, let me know. We'll do that. Just literally, just drop a few yeses on the channel. And we'll make some on-feed unboxings, and we'll do this. Well, you know, we'll do a little few. Or maybe we'll give away the pairs we win in the mystery boxes. You know what I'm saying? Hey, maybe we could do that. Just let me know in the comments. Drop some ideas. Let me know what you guys are looking for on the channel. We have more on-feed unboxings on the channel coming soon. And make sure y'all check out the recent ones. The True Blue 3s, UNC 5s, Myra, Jordan 7. We have so much coming here soon on the channel. So, yeah, if you guys want more, again, just subscribe and like down below for more. I appreciate you guys always supporting your boy. Normal goal has always been 300 likes. If you can do that, that'd be great. Shout out my cat. Here's a photo of her on the screen as y'all can see. Being a picky baby. You doing good job? You doing good? We're just going to finish the outro here, okay? Then you and me going to hang out. Then I got to go post office, okay? All right. But yeah, that's my cat. And everything else I mentioned down below. My Instagram page. Enter the giveaway for the free blue tile SB Dunks. Just tag your 2 friends. Like the post. Let me know why you want to win. And the post is just me holding a pair of the blue tile SBs. So you'll just see that. And yeah, that's where you enter. And is there anything else I'm forgetting? The TikTok lives. Best way to support your boy. Come cop some Supreme or any other streetwear off me. I really do appreciate those of you that support me through there. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much what I can say, guys. Just again, check out all that out down below if you guys want to. And I appreciate those of you that cop stuff off the lives. And let me know if y'all want a video where I buy some mystery boxes. If y'all want a mystery box video, let me know. I will buy that. Just seriously, just drop some comments and we'll do a StockX mystery box video. I feel like that'll be fun. Y'all like the unboxing, so just let me know. All right. I'm T. I don't know why I'm speaking in third person. I'll catch you guys tomorrow in the next video, though, yeah? And see you guys then. Peace out, squad.